Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford F-150. It's right behind me. Why don't we take a look? We're going to start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked tires. You have running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. You have 3 seats here in the front. One more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You have a rugged liner bed liner, as well as a Lear hardcover, keeping the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, as well as an auxiliary input and USB port, and your 4-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.